Good afternoon, I'm Robinson Kelly, CEO and founder of Clay Tablet Technologies here at Sitecore Symposium Europe 2012. So one of the main themes today that we've talked a lot about is this notion of relevant content, and that's making content that's within your Sitecore system relevant to your customers that you want to engage more completely. I can't think of anything more relevant than communicating with those clients in their own language, and that speaks to the need to translate or localize the content that lives within Sitecore. The challenge, of course, is how do you do that in an efficient way so that you can engage those clients in a dynamic, personalized, and timely manner. The old school manner of copying and pasting content in and out of individual items in Sitecore to email it or send it over to your translation providers in an Excel document or Word, they're long since past. You can no longer respond to client needs if you're waiting days or weeks to get that localized content back into Sitecore and up on the website so that those customers can feel engaged. The Clay Tablet connector plugs into Sitecore and allows for the very straightforward, efficient exportation of content from Sitecore for the purposes of delivery to any translation provider so that they can translate that content, and then the connector reinserts that content automatically back into Sitecore. The goal here is to create efficient business processes around the export and reimportation of content, streamlining the delivery of that content into multiple languages, into multiple locales from within Sitecore. Another theme we've been talking about at Symposium 2012 here is this notion of delivering content. It's something the Sitecore platform does incredibly well right out of the box. But of course, again, delivering that content in a single language immediately fails to meet the needs of huge collections of your end customers. So that delivery becomes absolutely critical to delivering a rich web experience for clients coming to the website. Localizing that content means that they're engaging with your business in the language that they think in, that they make their key business and purchasing decisions in. The Clay Tablet connector that plugs into Sitecore has quickly become the leading solution, the leading means by which you can move content in and out of Sitecore seamlessly. Because it was co-developed with Sitecore senior engineers and has been tested with enterprise clients around the world in implementations moving hundreds of thousands of items back and forth for localization, we're absolutely confident now that it can meet the needs of global organizations in terms of publishing that content quickly in multiple languages across multiple sites. So another theme that we've been talking about here is this notion of immediacy. When clients come to websites, they're expecting the latest and greatest information. It's no longer appropriate to have your other language sites, rather than your key source language, showing up on the website days or weeks later. The notion of simultaneously shipping information to multiple markets at once has become absolutely mission critical. This notion of SIMship is an immediate differentiator for many clients when they're dealing in multiple languages. The Clay Tablet solution allows for the simultaneous publication of content in multiple languages much easier than ever before because it streamlines the movement of content in and out of Sitecore, so much so that there's no process delay in terms of getting content back into Sitecore so that you can publish it to the web and engage all those different markets on exactly the same day. Now that the Sitecore platform allows this notion of predictive delivery of content, that is, anticipating the needs of a particular client, the challenge then becomes how do you speak to those clients if their main language isn't, say, the language that you traditionally communicate in. Usually that's English, but it can be any language. Anticipating their needs also means anticipating their expectations from a perspective of dealing with them in their native language, because they make their purchasing decisions. In fact, they often make their emotional decisions in their native language. And so yet again, we see that the ability to localize content in a timely fashion and a complete fashion becomes mission critical to the success of a multilingual, multinational, multi-locale site. The Clay Tablet connector again provides this ability to move the content back and forth in such an efficient perspective that any risk to alienating those clients through not having content in their target language immediately eliminated, ensuring that they feel engaged and that you can manage their expectations and again anticipate their needs unlike never before. Clay Tablet chose to work with Sitecore because it's perhaps the most flexible, powerful content management system out there. While we talk to many customers worldwide, They often have chosen Sitecore because of that flexibility, power, robustness, and now enterprise-class capabilities, especially around web experience management. That makes it a logical fit for Clay Tablet as we provide the connectivity that allows enterprises to engage their clients in multiple languages more efficiently than ever before. It's an absolute pleasure working with Sitecore. The product's so strong, the team's so strong, that as we interact with those clients who are choosing Clay Tablet and have chosen Sitecore, it just becomes a perfect union of all those sort of best-of-breed solutions and providers, creating these extremely robust solutions that are really meeting client needs like no other combination can.